In this quick video guide, I want to show you a website where you can download free graphics, free infographics, web icons, and a lot of little graphics here and icons that you can use for websites or apps, or you can use it for layout design and for graphic design in general. Now, this website is called PNG Repo, so PNG Repo, and you will find all of stuff in here, which is totally free. CC0, which means that you can download it and use it for any of your work. Now, it's in PNG format, which means that it's using the alpha channel. Now, let's assume that you are a beginner, where alpha channel is a fourth channel that it's PNG together with RGB, red, green, and blue, which is needed for transparency, which means that when you download an image in PNG that has an alpha channel, it's ready to be in a photo montage. It's ready to be overlapped to something else. But we're going to do an example here. So first of all, let's have a quick look to the website. You can see here we have first homepage, and we can see the first icons and graphics, infographics, you can call it however you want. So if you click here, this is the home page, and there are like 300,000 of these. So there is a lot of to see, and again, you can use them to do whatever you need. You can do like pitch for a website, so you can type like website, or for a app, or for something like in videos or whatever. So you can see here, these are the collections, and you can also search for more. Just like you can go forward with pages, you can see different collections, and you can see there are like different styles and different themes. Or again, you can search for something specific, or here at the top you can find monocolor with one single color, multicolor with more colors, outline, they have like a strong edge, a strong outline stroke, or filled. So if you're looking for something that is filled up with color or just with black. Now let's do an example with one collection. So I'm gonna go here to multicolor. Let's go here, Chinese culture icons, and let's get the dragon icon. Looks really nice. So you can see this is CC0, and you just click on download. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to register, create an account, whatever. Just click on download, save the image. That's going to be a PNG image. I'm going to save it in a download folder, and then just open it up with the software that you're using. You can use Krita, you can use Gimp, you can use Inkscape, you can use Photoshop, whatever you are using. Now, in my case, I'm using Gimp, so I right click and use Gimp. Now, if you don't have a software, you can use Canva, you can use PixArt, you can use Pixlr, which are web apps. They run entirely on the web browser, so you just get there and start to create your composition without downloading and installing anything. But right now, I'm going to show you real quick the GIMP. And here you can see that we have the dragon, and that checkerboard represents the alpha channel. So if I create a new layer down here, and if you want, you will find other videos about GIMP in our channel, but this is just to show you how the PNG works. So if I open up another layer in the layer panel and I bring it down, you can see that now the checkerboard is vanished, because that's actually using now another background. So this is a quick way we can change the background. We can work with the alpha channel essentially. So this is the beauty of having PNG and alpha channels. Now this looks like a vector graphics, but it is not. It has pixels. So don't confuse pixels and raster images with vector graphics. Now this will be all. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. If you want to support us, join the channel as a supporter. Check our other video courses and video guides in graphic design and other things. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.